today is your lucky day because I am giving you the recipe for my world famous peanut butter ramen. And when I say world famous, I mean my girlfriend brags about it to anyone who will listen. Now, before I start, you should know that I never use exact measurements, so we're measuring with our hearts today. First, boil your ramen noodles. I use the soy sauce flavor. While those are cooking, chop up some veggies. I like to use broccoli and carrots, but use whatever you prefer. Once the noodles have boiled for a few minutes, strain them, but leave a little water in the pot. Put them back on the stove on low and add in the veggies along with a few splashes of soy sauce, a bit of sesame oil, a squirt of sriracha, a big scoop of peanut butter, I like crunchy, and the seasoning packet, and stir it all together. If you have trouble mixing it up, just add a little more water. Now look how yummy that looks. To top it off, I chop up some green onions and cilantro. I also like to add a fried egg, but it's just as good without it if you don't eat eggs. Then finish it off with some spicy mayo, sriracha, the green onions and cilantro, and some sesame seeds. And there you have it. This spicy peanut butter ramen is so easy and delicious, and I hope that you love it as much as we do.